forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hello my loves, today's video is the unboxing of the new Harry Potter Christmas Funko Pops. Now, once again, as usual, I have a story for you guys. So I pre-ordered these on Amazon, I want to say last month. And it says it's gonna be coming till like November 16th, and I was like, eh. But I was like, you know what, whatever, as long as they're secured, and they were pretty cheap. So I was just like, I'm going to just do the pre-order. However, I follow Funko pages, and I think it's dispops, like dis.pops on Instagram, and they posted that they got theirs already, and I'm like, hold up. I thought that these don't get released yet. So I did some research and they were on GameStop's site. And it was buy 3, get 1 free of the Funko Pops. So my total, you know, it was only like $5 more than I would have paid on Amazon. So I placed that order to secure them first. Then I canceled my Amazon order. So that's what happened with that. So they are now here. I don't know what they look like yet because we gotta open them together. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so it is now time to dive in. But first, I don't know if you guys can see it. I have this really cute pumpkin Mickey clip in my hair. I made this. And I'm also wearing my Winnie earrings, but not sure if you guys can see that or not. But I just want to dive in this box and open it on up, guys. I am so excited! How many unboxings have I been doing for you guys? I think that I'm on a roll. I mean, that poll definitely came in handy. Sometimes I don't have luck to get everything online because, you know, it sells out with the bots and all of that stuff. However, as of lately, I have been lucky to get, like, you know, bulk things purchased, and I'm able to do an unboxing for you guys. But usually I honestly just buy my things in the store, so I mean, I don't really have anything to unbox, hence shopping hauls. But I mean, lately when I get goodies like this, it comes, you know, it's happiness in one big box. That's how I can explain it. So I was able to do unboxings for you guys. Like, I've been nailing it. I mean, pretty happy about that. Oh. Funkos make my heart happy. I'm about to start singing. Look at this Funko Pop. What the heck? He is huge. Go Hagrid, go Hagrid. Okay, that was just really weird, but yeah, he is so cute, and he better not be broken. He comes with a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I mean, my family doesn't care. I just decorate this house with my fandom stuff, like the living room. I kind of just put my things down there, and I mean, I'm thinking for Christmas, like when it's time to swap out the decorations, it's really hard because I love Christmas and Halloween equally. Like, I just love spooky season. Like, I just want to talk with you guys in here, so this is going to be a chatty unboxing. But like, it's that time of year where like, it just reminds me of my childhood so much because Halloween back then, I mean, everything about, you know, the time when we grew up in the early 90s, 2000s, you know what I mean? Like, Halloween was just so fun, and then you had those amazing movies like Halloween Town, Scream Team, Tower of Terror, Under Wraps, Hocus Pocus, things like that, and it just feels so comfortable around this time of year, and the leaves change, you know, it just reminds me of when I was in elementary school, and every year I still keep up that tradition, and I watch those movies. And I honestly am just a big kid at heart, hence all of the toy unboxing. So it never really left me, and I just like this time of year so much. And then I love Christmas too, and these pops are too cute to just keep in the box in like a corner because all my Funkos just sit in a corner in a pile because I don't have space. And, you know, but that does not stop me from buying them. But these are too cute, and I kind of want to put them near my Bradford Exchange Christmas Village set on the fireplace. I mean, they're too cute to keep in my room for Christmas. I mean, I do have a mini Christmas tree that I keep in my room. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, I don't know how I'm going to display everything, but I'll try to film the process of that. But we're still in spooky season, so let's not rush it because I love spooky season. Wow. This is so gorgeous. These pops are really nice. I'm not going to lie, I didn't really expect Funko to make like Christmas versions, but I mean, I'm living for it. I love this so much. So now all I need is the 3 of them riding the dragon. Why am I talking so weird? But yeah, I need the 3 of them doing that, and what else do I need? That's all I can think of. I think then I'll have all of them. I mean, I already have the 18-inch Funko Pop, which is up there, but you can't see him. He's all the way at the top. And that was so much fun to unbox for you guys. Man, did I sweat a lot in that video because that box was huge. And there was like a million boxes. So that was interesting. So we're gonna throw that on the floor. It's Hermione! She's so cute. This is adorable, guys. I love this so much. These are adorable. I can't. And next, it is now time for Harry Potter. I never really look at these boxes. I kind of just take the Funko Pop out. Yeah, I should probably do that though. Yeah, just to be sure, I just wanted to let you guys know that I got these Funko Pops on October 7th. However, by the time this video goes up, you know, it'll be way past then. I kind of just, like I said, I film my videos in advance and I just schedule them so they can go up for you guys. It makes it easier for me and it makes you guys happy too because you guys get more content. So that's how that works on my channel. Like, I get things really early, but you know, with the scheduling and everything, my videos go up on certain days. So yep, this is going to go up a little late, but I mean, you guys still get to see how beautiful they are. Aren't they gorgeous? So cute. I love this. Harry is so cute. He's holding a little golden head wig. An ornament. Or an owl, whatever. I mean, it looks like Hedwig to me. But, guys, that is it for this unboxing. What did you guys think about this? Because these pops are so cute. Are they just a pass for you, or do you like really want them? Are they on your list? Let me know down below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell, guys, because I have been killing it with uploads. I have plenty more where that came from. My Halloween series is still going on, plus a lot of shopping hauls and unboxings in between because it's Sam. So what else did you guys expect? So like I said, let me know down below which one was your favorite, and you know, are they a pass? Do you want them? Let me know. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.